Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the realm of ebook creation, providing essential guidance for beginners. Whether you're an aspiring author or venturing into self-publishing, understanding ebook formats and conversion processes is key. Let's jump right in. Let's start by unraveling ebook formats. The most prevalent ones include ePub, Mobi, and PDF. ePub is versatile, compatible across various devices and platforms. Mobi is tailored for Kindle devices. PDF, although less flexible for reflowable text, maintains formatting consistency. Each format serves distinct purposes, so understanding their strengths is crucial for authors and readers alike. Now let's discuss converting files into ePub or Mobi. Thankfully, user-friendly software tools simplify this process. Today we'll use AI Ebook Pal to demonstrate. Import your file, select the output format, and customize settings as needed. Click Convert, and voila! Your file is now in the desired ebook format. For creating ebooks, choosing the right software is vital. Let's review top tools. Calibre offers comprehensive management and conversion tools. Sigil provides an intuitive interface and robust editing. Scrivener offers a complete writing and formatting solution. Selecting the best tool depends on your needs and preferences. Despite efforts, ebook conversion can hit roadblocks. Let's address common issues. Formatting errors and image compression can disrupt your ebook's quality. Check for inconsistencies and use high-resolution images. Being aware and proactive can smoothen the conversion process. Now let's focus on ebook formatting essentials. Simple tips can elevate your ebook's appeal. Keep text styling consistent for readability. Position images strategically and ensure clarity. A well-structured table of contents enhances navigation and professionalism. Mastering these essentials enhances your ebook's presentation. They say don't judge a book by its cover, but for ebooks, visuals matter. Let's design covers using simple tools. Canva and Adobe Spark offer user-friendly interfaces and templates. Customize with title, author name, and visuals to make a lasting impression. Your cover is your ebook's first impression, so make it count. Converting Word documents to ePub can be tricky. Let's simplify the process. Review and clean your documents' formatting. Save as filtered HTML for compatibility. Import into your conversion tool and follow the steps for ePub. With attention to detail, your Word documents can seamlessly transition to ebook format.
Scene script. Exploring ebook publishing platforms. Now that your ebook is ready, let's explore publishing platforms. Platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing, and Smashwords offer avenues for distribution. Explore options to reach your audience effectively. And that concludes our guide to ebook creation. We hope this journey helps you navigate the world of digital publishing with confidence. Until next time, happy writing and publishing.